shi bynta ban phai khmat bat ban wat kilat kumno ban nang pynbha ka Pule puthi bat ban wanrai ka Pule puthi ka ba kham janai quality education katkum ka NEP 8000 arphau ka Umroi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School klas shna Ïaka Kamra klas ka ba kham kyrpang naga bynta ban iarap iki khynah klas Nursery hadu klas 3 ka bangi tip kum ka Foundational Literacy and Numeracy ban penyo yaki jinghikai ka bangi ong learning with practical activities based teaching bat lengba ki ICT information technology hakabaya kani ka Kamra klas la pleno hakasan Tarik Risaw de ka kong Mary Lynrah State Pedogogy Co-ordinator SSA SEMAM hakajingadan lang de ka kong Pule Nonglait DSEO Ribhoi District Bhati Principal Gogoi Project Coordinator Bharti Foundation ba Vincent Nianglang District Mission Coordinator SSA SDSEO Ribhoi District ba S Kharshandi Assistant Professor lembat kinong hikai bat ki khana school kuman shuyat ho kajingdan jaka FLN classroom kan ketik ki jing mut jing perkhat jing ki khana bat kani kan wanra ek jing keu ha ka jing wan jing ki khana ska school kani ka Kamra class FLN kan ai ka jing hikai ka ba khambha bat ka ba paka ban seng nong rem ya ka jing star jing ki bakin yo ya ka nong rem ka ba khlan khnang bakin long ki klor ki ba paka ha ka we ka si Hagani ka juk kasngi ka school kalapan long ru ya ka school exhibition hakaba ki khana ki hab ban pan khre ya ka model jengki katkum ka phang balabo bat hakan kasngi ki khana school kila yo ya ka lat ban pan i shisha ya ka ta ka sub jengki lengba ka te ka exhibition
the discipline of the student will be changed and the student will understand the importance of life, the importance of love, the importance of obedience, the importance of respect, the importance of forming a habit, and also the importance to be in the society or in the world. The present generation that we live today, remember it is very complex, very, very complex. The people forget to love themselves. They forget to love their own body. They forget to love their parents. They forget to love everyone and they love death instead. Why I am saying that? Because you have seen in the social media, my dear students, research. You have seen in the newspaper, the students of class 11 and class 8, they don't understand the meaning of love. They misuse it. And they love to die instead to live. So with a better foundation, I hope the students will understand how to love themselves, how to love studies, how to love their future, and to remember that we have only one life, and this one life, if we make use of it in the right way, we will never ever regret it. But if we do not use in a proper way, we will regret it. Not only in this world, but in the next world to come, maybe in heaven or hell.
No, actually, the effort that sir is giving, there is something different actually, no? You cannot implement everything from outside. I cannot implement everything from
Without
outside.
the support.
I would say everyone is praising Bharti Foundation. But the thing is like, no, this thing has happened because of sir. I won't take a single person of it.
We should give
Yeah.
first credit.
Yes.
As a leader of the school.
And by the way, this is for sale, okay? This is demo.
There is one here. To reduce the malaria parasite. Yes. Destroy the eggs.
And this one also made by the student, and it's ready for order also. That's great.
When there is a waste, the toxic chemical from this agricultural land will go into the river. In this way, the water pollution by the prevention of this agricultural garbage and businesses. Similarly, we can also produce electricity, heating water, solar cooking, and a variety for other commercial and industrial uses. As a result, it does not cause pollution because it is renewable resources. Thus, we must try to use solar energy more and more to save our planet Earth. I will say advantages of the solar energy. Using solar energy will reduce the pollution. I don't need to pay for it like we pay for the city to the government. We can use solar energy as well as the sun present. We can use solar energy anytime we need, especially in the night time because our students do some work, example like reading or writing some work. Solar energy, we get from this energy, we get to do like cooking, playing television, light, and running the fan, and so on.